The eclipse is over, but there's no need to chuck your eclipse glasses in the trash. Modern eclipse glasses don't expire, according to the American Astronomical Society. So you or someone else could still get some use out of those shades during the future eclipses. Here's what to do with them. Reuse them. If you bought the glasses for this year's eclipse, you should be able to use them forever, as long as they aren't scratched, torn, punctured, or loose in their frames. According to the AAS, older glasses sold before 2015 may not meet those standards and may come with a 3-year expiration date. That means you can hold on to your glasses until the next partial solar eclipse visible in the United States in 2026, or the next total solar eclipse in the United States in 2044. You can also travel to see eclipses around the world, or use your old glasses to stare at the uneclipsed sun to your heart's content. Donate them. If you don't plan on using your eclipse glasses again, you can donate them to Astronomers Without Borders or Eclipse Glasses USA. These organizations ship free glasses to teachers, students, and astronomy enthusiasts in countries that are about to experience an eclipse. You can drop off undamaged eclipse glasses at any Warby Parker store until April 30th to donate to Astronomers Without Borders. After the 2017 eclipse, the nonprofit took in millions of donated glasses, sorted out the undamaged pairs, and sent them to eclipse viewers in the South America, Asia, and Africa, according to its website. You can also mail your used but undamaged glasses to Eclipse Glasses USA. Full mailing instructions include the company's P.O. Box address. It's all on its website. Recycle them if you're going to throw out your glasses anyway. You can remove the lenses and recycle the cardboard frame. The lenses themselves aren't recyclable, so you should toss them in the trash. If you found value in this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.